Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Apple Watch Ultra 2 without an iPhone. While an iPhone is needed for initial setup, your Ultra 2 is designed for remarkable standalone performance. With a cellular plan, you can make phone calls, send messages, and stream music directly from your wrist. Even without cellular, Wi-Fi connectivity, and built-in GPS support many essential tasks. Staying connected is effortless with your Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you have a cellular plan, you can make and receive phone calls and send text messages, even if your iPhone is at home. You can also stream your favorite music, podcasts, and audiobooks over cellular or Wi-Fi, keeping your entertainment flowing wherever you go. Your Ultra 2 is a powerful health and fitness companion. It accurately tracks over a dozen workout types, monitors your heart rate, and uses its advanced GPS for precise route mapping. Plus, with Apple Pay, you can make secure, contactless payments at millions of locations by simply double-clicking the side button and holding your watch near a terminal. Explore new possibilities with apps and navigation right from your wrist. You can download many applications directly from the App Store on your watch. Use the built-in maps for directions, even with offline routes, thanks to its dual-frequency GPS. Siri is also available on device for quick questions or to control smart home accessories, enhancing your independent experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.